It's noble endeavors coming to you. Get ready for some escapades and adventures too. Enjoy the journey and the fun we're bringing to you.
Well, so I'm at the Pinery this time, and I launched at the canoe dock. Next time I do this, I'll launch somewhere else. It'll be interesting to see how it goes today. Last time I went out, I managed to have some interesting times. Hopefully I'll have some interesting times this time too, but in a different way. Wearing my happy face hat. Good times ahead is what it should mean. And out I go. Behind. Hey. Good, how about you? Looks like you're having fun. Good paddling job though, I bet. Lots of work. That's awesome. It's a nice day to go down the river, isn't it? Yep. They're just doing it for more difficulty. A little bit better workout.
Pay attention.
Well, I was thinking if that's the right way, then I'm definitely doing it wrong, and I've only been using these for about a year now, so I've been doing it wrong for a while. But there's no reason it wouldn't work. It should. I think the bottom just has a little bit. Hello, the ship. Hello. Having a good time?
Yes, are you?
Yeah, I am. Beautiful day. Love to be out on the water, right? Bye. Ah, what a beautiful river. I haven't been on this river. I'll have to look up the name of it in quite a while. It's in the middle of Pinery Provincial Park. And there's a bike trail that goes along it. I know the bike trail is, I think, 12 kilometers in one direction and like 12 or so coming back, maybe 20, maybe 13 or 14. But it circles both sides of the river. And yet, about as close as you can get to feeling like you're in the backcountry in this part of Ontario. So it's kind of nice. Oh, beautiful boat. Did you make them?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's beautiful. And the paddles too, I'm guessing.
No, I bought paddles.
In bug season, mid-June.
Oh, that's
Exactly the same situation.
Yeah.
I made 14, 15, 16, it was canceled.
The whole time you were a kid?
what's that? No. Sometimes time and time they moved around where we were.
Hey. The park pass today, the annual pass or whatever?
We've been buying one the past 2 years and then we hike up here in the winter.
Well, I got the annual one because my wife likes coming up here and hiking so close.
Yeah, front of me.
Huh.
That boat's pretty slick. It takes a bit of work because it's
Yeah, my buddy's got this one's a Prospector 14, but he's got a Pack 15.6.
Mm-hmm.
It's based on a kayak hull.
Yeah.
It kicks butt through the water. And he's lighter than me too, so that doesn't help. But I think my next trip up here, I'll bring my
It'll leave a little bit of space. As soon as I pay you, the better it is for me, because then you can space
it
things
out.
out.
Yeah.
One of the problems with everybody working from home now, sometimes it takes a little while for everyone to go through the channels and stay.
Yeah, when I saw your paddles, at first I wondered if they were the Greenland kayak type.
Oh, no.
I've seen them, they look pretty.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Actually,
yeah.
it's a Badger.
Mm-hmm.
Got them to put my logo on it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's kind of neat. Where is it? Oh, there she is. She went on the other side of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably the worst thing for me is I got to practice getting in and out of the boat. A little bit heavier, a little bit top heavy. I don't couch quite as much as the seat tires.
Filter, one of those,
B3 things.
yeah, one of those ceramic filters. And nice, it screws right on the mouth of my jar. Screws right to the mouth of this.
Oh, right on.
Yeah, so you just throw the hose over the side and let it go.
Well, I've got one of those from years ago, and an MSR something, Waterworks or something.
Yeah, I think
Miniworks.
that's what mine is.
And I've got a gravity one that I use now most of the time because it just does gravity feed and it's great. And then on the water up north, I've got a thing called a B-freeze filter. I actually have it in my car, but I don't have it with me.
It's fast, right? Especially after rain.
So there's flow meters. If you go to the Upper Thames River site, they have flow stations where they measure the flow at the house. And hello. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a really pretty color canoe.
Thank you. Thank you. Now that would have been cooler if I did a fast turn, which I obviously didn't do.
Extension of your body though. It's sort of like you just know what you're doing. And
Well, that's what's nice about any canoe, right?
yeah.
That you like. Yeah, I like that idea a lot. Like,
And they were put in at St. Mary's and they were down at the youth club with this 500. And they did it as a fundraiser.
see, bud. Sometimes I just have to explore.
It's noble endeavors coming to you. Get ready for some escapades and adventures too. Enjoy the journey and the fun we're bringing.